This video demonstrates how to program a universal remote to control your Insignia TV. We'll cover the most common methods, including direct code entry, auto search, and using a mobile app. Here are examples of universal remotes that can be programmed for Insignia TVs. The goal is to enable functions like power, volume, and channel control on your Insignia TV with your universal remote. We will go step by step through the process. The first and most reliable method is direct code entry. The Universal Remote's manual includes a list of codes specific to Insignia TVs. Locate this list. Power on your Insignia TV manually. Then, on your Universal Remote, press and hold the Setup or Code Search button until the remote's indicator light turns on. Enter the first Insignia code from the list. Point the remote at TV and press the Power button. If the TV turns off, the code is correct. If not, repeat with the next code on the list. Ensure batteries are good on the remote. Once you find a code that works, press the Enter button on the remote to save it. The indicator light should blink or turn off to confirm the code is saved. Test all the remote's functions like volume and channel to ensure complete control. If some functions don't work, try another code from the list, as some codes may provide partial functionality. If the original code did not work, use a paper and pen to mark it so you don't repeat it. First, ensure your Insignia TV is turned on. On your universal remote, press and hold the Setup button until the indicator light comes on. Then, press and release the Power button. The remote will start sending out codes. Point the remote at the TV and carefully watch for the TV to turn off. This process can take several minutes and can sometimes repeat itself. Be patient and ready to stop the search when it powers off the TV. Immediately after the TV turns off during the auto search process, press any button, usually the Setup or Enter button on the remote, to lock in the code. The indicator light should blink or turn off to confirm the code is locked. Test all functions like volume and channel to ensure full control. Sometimes auto search stops working or fails to find a connection. Try resetting the remote by removing batteries and waiting 10 minutes, then reinserting the batteries. Retry this process. If the remote still doesn't work, ensure fresh batteries are installed correctly. Double-check the codes you entered and try again. Make sure nothing is obstructing the signal between the remote and the TV. If using auto search, be patient and monitor the TV closely. Consult the Universal Remote's manual or the manufacturer's website for further assistance. The remote needs to be pointed directly at the TV to get a signal. After programming, test all the remote's functions thoroughly. If some buttons don't work, try other Insignia codes. Keep the Universal Remote's manual in a safe place for future reference. Keep record of what you have tried to reduce repetitive troubleshooting. If you have multiple Insignia products, ensure to try multiple Insignia codes. If all else fails, consider contacting the Universal Remote Manufacturer support or the Insignia support.